Okay, we got these grapes here. We're gonna make a nice appetizer with them. They are washed and ready to go. So we have these delicious croquetini crackers, okay? And then the goat's milk cheese with fig. Alright, so this is what they look like plated. It is delicious. I must say, the sweetness of the grapes with the creaminess of the fig goat cheese is just, oh, so addicting. You could eat like a whole tray. And the white flour of the crunchy crackers is perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Mashallah. I am very pleased with this appetizer recipe. If you make something like this, they're gonna go fast, God willing. So hopefully you can try it as well, get inspired, and kids love it too.